Grazie.
Kukma.
I have a question. Why there's a farm tour in Germany? Look. Cagas, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, and
Subscribe.
Bye. Bye. God bless.
Greetings from Germany.
Greetings from Germany, from Bosco Island, Bosco to. Oh! Hey! Look, hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Get some Oliver Cagas. Cagas, for today's video po ay pupunta po tayo ngayon kina kay Joey po. Doon po tayo matutulog ngayon kasi po mag-attend tayo ng concert tomorrow kay Morissette at saka kay Darren Espanto. Bumili tayo ng ticket. Kaya kailangan natin gamitin kasi masayangan tayo. Sayang ko hindi gamitin. So, kasama natin si Egbert. Isusunduin niya, ihatid niya ako doon sa Bahnhof, sa train station ng Badla Aspe po ka guys. Kasi po hindi po ako magbabas ngayon going to Ziegen. Ibang route ako. To Marburg naman ako ngayon ka guys, no? Para maiba ang damdamin. Maiba ang damdamin. Si Egbert kasi so si Egbert kasi ay tama-tama pupunta siya sa sa city kasi po maglinis siya ng car doon. So dalhin niya tong car na to, diretso na siya. Tsaka siya rin mag-drive, maghatid sa atin doon. Tama-tama talaga. So 5 minutes na lang ando na yung train, kaya bilisan-bilisan na natin. So, po, matagal na kami nakabili ng ticket, February pa. Oo. Tsaka, pag alam namin is a Frankfurt man kasi i-held. So, i-hold yung yung concert. So sabi ko, wala, Frankfurt tsaka doon kina Joey kasi is like 30 minutes lang drive. Sabi ko sa kanya kung pwede ako makatulog doon para hindi na ako mag-hotel. Sabi niya, yes, of course, pwede ka matulog doon, Oliver. And then, pupunta din si Dong bukas, si Dong at saka si Jomar. Kasi diba na-meet ni Dong si Joey before nung sa Timbelmani. Sabi niya na kung pwede din siya. Sabi kasi ni Joey din na, Oliver, you can invite your friend also para kung dito matulog sa bahay. Para hindi na mag-hotel. So sabi ko, si Dong pala. Gusto din doon matulog. Kasi, so, okay lang din kay Joey. So, si Dong ay pupunta rin bukas. After concert naman, si Dong. Ako nga, kasi ngayon ako mag-start. Para hindi na ako magbiyahe bukas guys. Kaninang umaga, nagbilis-bilis talaga ako magtrabaho. Tinulungan ako ni Egbert. Hi Egbert.
Hi.
Egbert helped me today.
Yes.
For my work. He helped me so it's schnell. Das ist vom, das ist mein Bus. Hast du gesehen?
Ja, gute Reise.
Oo. So, ayan na. Makikita nyo na naman ulit ngayon si Joey ka guys. Sino nakamiss kay Joey? Itaas ang kamay. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, oy. Salamat Lord. Kaya hindi na ako nag-jacket ka guys, pero may dala akong jacket sa luggage kasi para kung malamig na at least meron tayong pangsangga. Always ready tayo guys kasi Boy Scout to. Ayan na. Last Nirenhausen, I am coming pala. Guys, nandito na ako sa train. Mabuti na lang talaga. Nag-run. Kasi 2 minutes na lang. Mabuti na lang. Nandito na siya ang train. Tapos nakita ako ng dalawang ito. Hi!
Lace.
Lace on living. Loving on lace. At you saw me yesterday.
Yeah, with your papa and your papa.
With your papa and your papa. Nakita nila ako hapon sa restaurant ka guys. Then today, we meet each other again. Wow. She know how to speak English, no?
Yeah, I'm very good.
Very good. They are my friends here in La Aspa. Say hi, Harvey. Harvey know you.
Hi, Harvey.
You are sister and brother, no?
Yeah. We're siblings.
Where are you going now?
To Maraming.
Marburg.
Yeah.
Okay. You will go back home tonight.
Because my mom's friend, who we're going to, we have a lot of stuff, and we're gonna give them. We have a lot of gifts.
What did you say? You look like Japanese?
Yeah,
Okay.
you look like a Japanese. What?
Do you want to become a Japanese?
Yeah, I like.
Okay, then. Mak deine Augen. Auch deine.
Wait.
Caguys, andito na po tayo.
Niederjosbach. Ausstieg in Fahrtrichtung rechts.
Okay. Malapit na po tayo ngayon sa Netherhausen kung saan nakatira si Joey at saka sabi daw niya susunduin niya ako sa train station para kunin ako. Tapos I think mag-grocery din kami. Mag-grocery siya and then kasama din ako para bibilhin. I mean, may kakainin kami for dinner, no? So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi galing po sa amin Badlaaspe to Marburg. Kasama ko yung mga bata. Friends ko po yun doon sa Badlaaspe. Tsaka pupunta sila ng ano ba, Frankfurt sila. So, sakay kami ng train. Same kami ng train na sinasakyan. So, wala. So, ngayon, makapag-vlog na tayo ngayon. At tsaka, may makita din ninyo ulit si Joey. Opo. So, sino po dyan nakamiss kay Joey? Please comment down below. At saka, yes, thank you din po dahil po sinuportahan niyo po kami sa mga vlogs namin. At saka, marami ding natuwa, marami na-enjoy sa vlogs ko kapag kasama din si Joey. I think, sabi doon ba na na-touch ako na with Bosco 1, Bosco 2 plus Andy and Oli plus Joey daw, yung vlog ko daw is very awesome, wholesome, sabi niya doon. So naano ako, na-touch ako kasi may naka-appreciate, marami nakaka-appreciate po guys. So sabi pa ni Joey ba na Oliver, ito sabi niya dati, Oliver, kapag mapakita ako sa vlog mo ba, baka hindi ako magustuhan ng CaGuys, baka ayaw nila na makita nila ako sa vlogs mo, and I don't want na maruin yung vlog mo because of me, sabi pa niya. Sabi ko, you know, it's okay, they love you because my community CaGuys are very friendly and they want to see you. Sa iyon, nung nakita na pinakita ko siya sa vlog, yung mukha din niya at saka nababasa yung mga comments, ano siya, na-enjoy siya, natuwa siya kasi daw ang bait niyo po CaGuys, at thank you din po sa kabaitan na binibigyan niyo po sa amin. I'm very happy and thankful po. So ngayon, isang babaan na lang po pala na Netherhausen na po. Last destination na to. Destination, ano to? Yung film? Last station. Yes, you can do to me. And yes, wow, look there. Tignan niyo po CaGuys, oh. Ang ganda ng kalangitan, oh. Tignan niyo po CaGuys, solo ride po ako papuntang Netherhausen kasi yung mga pasahero kanina nagbabaan na. So ako na lang isa dito, oh. Diba? Tignan niyo. Walang tao. Wow, what a... CaGuys, dyan po si Joey. Timing. Very timing pagdating. Oh, hi!
Hello!
Hi!
Sumasama video ya?
CaGuys! Kasiksi po ani, oy. Here! Bakit?
Dankeschön!
Dito schön.
Hast du mehr?
Ito CaGuys, ibabalik natin to kasi may fund to. May refund.
My fund!
Mine fund. Hello, say hi to CaGuys.
Hi CaGuys!
We are in Netherhausen
Yeah.
with Oli. So ilalagay na po iyan. Wow! Tululut! Nicht akzeptieren. Warum das denn?
Ja, der akzeptiert nur einen Mehrweg. Also hier diese
Aha,
25 Cent Flaschen.
Zeichen.
Diese Flaschen, die werden nur einmal benutzt. Einmal. Also ein Weg, glaube ich.
Guck mal den ho, dari hara. Wow. Viel Geld.
Schön wär's. Aber wir sind ja gute Mitbürger und wir tun unser Pfand bzw. unseren Plastikmüll immer wieder schön zurück. Ne?
Mhm.
So wie das gehört.
Mhm. Auch nicht. Schade. Please. Cagas, meron na siyang €3.25. No, das gibt auch noch hier. Ha. Du musst noch gucken. Bitte.
Das nimmt er auch nicht.
So, take a look, guys. Baka meron pa.
Thank you, gracias, tak, grazie.
Guck mal. Cagas, mag-ano na siya, mag-grocery. Hast du noch Zucker zu Hause?
Hier ist überall Zucker drin im Brot. Mango.
Für Kaffee, meine ich. Für Kaffee.
Ja, ich habe Zucker genug. Wir haben ein Päckchen Zucker für dich gekauft.
Aha.
Extra für deinen Kaffee.
Ich habe nur gefragt, okay?
For your coffee.
Das ist dein Liebling. Korn.
Das ist mein Liebling.
Das ist dein Liebling. Wie heißt dein? Dunkel. Großes Brötchen.
Nee, ist auch nicht mein Liebling. Ist überall Weizen drin.
Vielleicht hier.
Ist auch Weizen.
Cagas, ang sabi ko, maghanap kami ng rice. Pero alam mo kung saan siya nag-stop? Dito sa pagkain para sa aso.
Für mein Hundchen.
Cagas, maaga pa kasi sabi niya, gusto mo bang uminom ng kape, Oliver? Gusto ko. Hi! What are you doing now?
Coffee for you.
Coffee for me? Coffee for Oli?
Coffee pets.
But what is that?
Coffee pets.
So, okay. Then how you gonna do it? Can I show it to Cagas?
Du kannst aber auch Dings haben, wenn du möchtest.
Yeah, but we want to see it. How you gonna do it?
Du steckst das einfach hier rein.
Hier rein.
Hier rein.
Aha, und dann?
Dann machst du hier zu. Senseo Philips Kaffeemaschine.
Und dann?
Du drückst hier drauf und dann kommt da gleich Kaffee raus.
Aha.
It's magic.
So. So, mag-ano
Du
ka?
kannst auch löslichen haben, wenn du möchtest.
What is that? It's
Ja, den kennst du ja.
That is okay. So, while we're waiting for my rice, for my coffee.
Hier waitet nix, wenn du den nicht machst.
So, this is a cup for rice, no?
Den kannst du nehmen, ja.
Where's the rice?
Hier.
La. Okay. So done. It's like my house because I know where you put your.
Kennst du schon aus, meinst du?
Yeah, ich weiß, was ist, wo liegt diese Glas oder. Hi, Joey. Thank you that I can sleep here tonight.
Yeah, sure.
Can I visit here anytime?
Of course.
Of course.
Tomorrow, Dong will come too.
Yeah, after concert, yeah. Dong.
Ja.
Then it's okay because.
Hast du schon erklärt, wo ihr hinfahrt, was ihr macht?
Wie bitte?
Hast du schon erklärt, was ihr macht und wo ihr hinfahrt?
Was ihr macht?
Was ihr morgen machen werdet. What you will do tomorrow. Did you explain?
Yeah, I told to Cagas that I am going to watch concert with Dong, Mameros tomorrow.
Maybe you can see what we will do in my vlog.
In your vlog? Oh, Cagas! Wait.
No.
Never, see, Joey wants to make a vlog. Who wants to watch Joey's vlog and who wants to subscribe? Please comment down below. Who wants it? Just comment down below. Me, Oliver. And he has a lot of idea what he gonna do because before he posted shorts, but now vlog. Shorts video, but now a real vlog. But your first vlog is like what? Your first vlog?
I have a plan. I want to make a movie of your...
Movie?
Yeah. Yeah, sure, a movie.
Interview or what?
No, a movie.
A movie?
A trailer movie like...
Trailer movie?
To you. To your history, what you done and complication of your videos.
Compilation? Compilation?
Compilation, yeah.
Okay.
So maybe it's a good idea to see. You have 130 videos in your vlog. So much videos, nobody has time to watch this. So let's make one movie with the best of. So
You gonna,
you know what I mean?
you make a compilation. Why to your vlog? You can make your own also, but your idea is great.
No, that's for your vlog. So you have a movie with the best of.
Okay, I understand.
And for new subscribers, it's good to see what you've done before in the last 6 years. You know?
In the last 6 years.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. But you will gonna edit. You're gonna edit and make it. But in your vlog, in your vlog, he wants to interview me. You told me.
Yeah.
No? Guys, he wants to interview me and then he will ask questions and I will answer. And also he will post it in his vlog, and then after that, guys, he will post a lot of vlogs. What is
we can try, but I not have so much time like you.
And also,
Not every 2 days.
we're so excited. We're so excited, and you have now 100 subscribers. Yay! Woo! Congratulations! What you gonna say to guys? Thank you.
Thank you, Cagas. I'm not sure I'm interesting enough.
Dov, you are interesting because guys, because guys watch our Q&A and they are so happy about it. You know?
Yeah, because I'm in your life now, and
I'm in your life now.
we stay together in the free time. And Uwe and Egbert are happy that they not have 99% of the videos in the face.
They have another guy in my vlog.
Uwe and Egbert, Bosco 1 and Bosco 2 are happy that they're not more the camera in the front.
Yeah, they have other person in my vlog now. Yeah, and I'm so happy because you showed your face, or you came into our lives. For me, for Bosco and Bosco to Adi, you know.
Aber viele fragen, ob ich verwandt bin mit Bosco. Das musst du irgendwann mal auflösen. Yeah. A present for my mother on Mother's Day. It's Sunday.
Oh, you are so sweet.
Oh.
You are sweet.
That was your idea.
It's my idea.
Oh, your idea.
Okay, then I'm so happy because I'm too tall. And I'm so happy because finally you make your own vlog. And later, after we gonna eat our dinner, we're gonna show you the farm of Joy.
My parents.
No, it's also your farm.
It's also my, yeah.
You have...
But farm, I don't know, we have 6 chickens.
Chickens and also rabbits.
And my dog.
And also
Let's see my dog.
And how rich is Joey and his parents?
I'm not rich.
You are not rich, but your parents?
Nee. My father is working hard as a police officer. And so we built this house ourselves. So we built it before, when was 16 years, and my grandfather built this building here, my room, before 80 years.
This house, this building in the house of your mother is own house of your parents.
Yeah.
Your parents didn't pay monthly for the apartment because it's their own house.
Yeah, and we worked hard and we built ourselves.
That's okay. That's great. Wow, you work hard. Oh, you are so humble. Humble man sila. So anyway, later po ipakita ko na po sa inyo.
Coffee.
Uy, thank you so much.
Oh, lovely.
Danke. May coffee. May coffee. Pabigay-bigay naman ang coffee dito eh.
Huh?
Thank you because I told the Cagas that you give me a coffee.
Coffee time. Is this also a culture, coffee time in
The Philippines? Yeah.
Yeah?
Afternoon.
Yeah? Okay.
It's either coffee or drinks like refreshment drinks.
Yeah.
Like Pepsi, Cola.
We have the same culture, so
It depends upon the weather. if the weather is so hot, then refreshments.
yeah, okay.
Wow, you know my coffee now. You know exactly what I like.
Yeah. Milk powder, 1 spoon, 1.5 spoon, 2 spoons sugar, and 1 express coffee.
How did you know it?
I don't know. I know you. So what is doing your rice?
Yeah, mine.
This time it's not vegan. It's not my food.
Wow. It's always food. But wow.
Warte, du brauchst neues Backding.
Yeah, genau. Thank you. Kakain talaga tayo ng chicken wings kasi gutom. So, may excited na ako Cagas na ipakita sa inyo ang kanilang farm. Nasa harapan ko na talaga kasi dito tayo sa may bintana area. You know? Kita ko sa inyo. I think I only need 3. I know that I cannot eat everything.
Veganes chicken.
Pakita natin sa inyo kung gaano nga sila kayaman kasi nga sabi nyo dati may nag-comment na ang yaman pala nila Joey no, so ngayon ipapakita natin. Okay, kasi ka. Did you ask your parents that we're gonna make a video there? And what?
Es ist ihnen egal.
Das ist egal.
Wir können das machen.
Thank you, Father, Mother. Guys, kasi chicken wings yung akin. Ayan na chicken wings ang akin. Sa kanya naman ay gyros. Ayan. Pero yung gyros mo dong parang napapagod na ito dong. It's done. Tama na to, Cagas. Uy, luto na to. Off na natin. Here. High five. Wow! High five! Wow, du bist so smart. Du bist so clever. Cook is Labrador?
Ja.
Andy. Ich habe gesagt Andy.
Ja,
Andy.
Das ist mein Hund.
Ach so, Cookie. Er ist Mädchen. Du musst ein Knochen bei Hand hier.
Cookie, komm mal her. Komm mal her, Mama. Komm mal her. Mama sitzt.
Wow,
Sitz.
Cookie ist so smart.
Pfote.
Ui, wow.
Andere Pfote.
Wow.
Nein, ja.
Du musst ein bisschen geben, Knochen oder so, ein Award.
Ja, guck mal, da in dem Schränkchen ist Leckerli.
Hier, wow. Guck mal. Warte. Du bist sehr gut. Futter. Wow, look at this. Ui. Futter, andere Seite, andere Seite. Futter. Okay.
Her name is Cookie, yeah.
And the breed of Cookie is? Rather?
Labrador, Australian Shepherd Mischling.
Shepherd.
Australian Shepherd and Labrador.
Why not German Shepherd?
Hmm?
German Shepherd.
No, that's Australian Shepherd.
Du bist Australian Shepherd. Wie alt ist Cookie? How old is Cookie now?
1 year and 2 months.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wo hast du Cookie gekauft? Wow, Cookie, du bist sehr... So, I need to change the position.
CaGuys, Olli gave Cookie Leckerli. Und jetzt gibt's Njam, 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 njam.
Come here. Shee! Wow! I have something for you. Open it.
Was ist das?
Open.
Okay.
Unboxing. Komm hier ein bisschen.
Ich habe doch gar keinen Geburtstag. I don't have a birthday.
Your birthday is in December.
Ja, deswegen. Ich habe übrigens nochmal recherchiert. Ich bin 34 Jahre alt.
You are now 34.
34.
Because you told me before you are 33. So, wow!
Ach stimmt, das habe ich ja total vergessen.
Of English?
Oh, I forgot. Mango.
Because I told you you have a mango and you forgot.
Ja, ja, ja.
That's for you.
Forgot. Geil.
And I have a green one. Do you like green?
Na, die kannst du noch nicht essen.
Dog, I can eat it. Only this is only green.
Yeah, this is a normally mango you can buy on our supermarket.
Yeah, but I want to eat it later. You will eat this?
Hi guys, my first Philippine mango. I'm
happy.
I'm happy to try this later.
Okay. See, put it first in the
Thank you. Das macht das schön, oder?
Ich mag Essen für dich.
Das macht er aber schön.
Kakain na po kami, luto na po. Dito kami kain sa labas. We're gonna eat here in the outside. So I have my Pepsi. So guys, kakainin na niya ang mangga ngayon. Manggang hinog. Where are you going? Heh? Oh, das aber so smart.
Tja, als ein Mango-Liebhaber habe ich sowas natürlich.
Because you like mango, that's why you have that.
Yes.
Yes. Ang galing. First na ako nakita ng ganito ka, guys. It's my first time to see it. And it's from you.
Yes.
Ich habe das nicht gedacht. So. Guckst du mir an? Danke, CaGuys.
Danke, Olli, für die Mango. Jetzt probiere ich das erste Mal philippinische Mango.
Auf Englisch. The first. Süß, sauer.
Sehr süß.
Ja, ja.
Aha.
So sweet.
Wow. Habe ich schon mal gegessen, sowas. Tatsächlich. Also ich kenne den Geschmack.
You know the taste?
Ja, I know the taste. Cagas Olli is bad.
Why I'm bad?
You're bad.
Hi, CaGuys! CaGuys. Andito tayo sa farm ngayon ni Joey. I mean, the farm of his parents. Okay? So, hindi lang natin ipapakita yung bahay kasi po bawal. Kasi for protection and privacy po. Pero ditong, ito daw ay pwede naman. What is that here?
Himbeerstrauch.
Himbeere, no? Himbeere, CaGuys. So viel, guck mal. Wow. Ich kann das pflücken.
Noch nicht, aber vielleicht in ein paar Wochen.
Hier, guck mal. Wie heißt das denn? Das ist Johannisbeere.
Johannisbeeren, ja.
Tapos may Johannisbeere sila. Oh, ang taba. Ang taba ng Johannisbeere nila.
Oh, Cookie.
Uy, Cookie!
He wants to play.
You want to play with me?
Achso, ja doch. Das sind auch Johannisbeeren, richtig, ja. Das da sind Stachelbeeren.
Stachelbeeren?
Stachel.
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 Fast.
Guck mal. Und das ist, this one. There's a lot of fruits here.
Das weiß ich tatsächlich nicht.
There's a lot of fruits. So we are now in one chicken. So let's make adobo.
Oha.
So The first chicken. And that is cherry. No, cherry.
Ja, Cherry.
Wow, cherry.
Kirschbaum.
And this one is apple.
Nee, das sind
Birne.
Pflaumen, glaube ich. Pflaumen. Cookie is escalating.
She wants to play alone. So now,
Ja, weil wir nicht spielen
what
wollen
is
mit
this?
ihr. Pflaumen.
I forgot so. So if it's ripe, I can.
I don't know what is in English.
Plowman. I
Chickens.
have a question. Why there's like a gate? Like why is it closed?
Because we have falcons, birds,
Birds, okay.
rapid birds, and this is a security area for the chickens.
Okay. Ah, okay.
That's the end of the sentence.
That's why it's closed. So
Yeah.
the birds will not get the eggs of the chicken.
Not the chicken.
The chicken itself,
No, the birds come down and kill the chicken. Yeah,
Ah, okay.
if we don't have
Okay. So
this area.
it's very your father is very intelligent. Why? Because he made this closed gate.
Mm.
So the chickens can come there and also up there.
Mm.
No?
Yeah.
The chicken know where to go.
Mm.
The chicken is also clever
Yes.
because they know how to walk.
Now, if it's
They know how which way.
if it goes dark, they're going in the bed.
Alone.
Yeah, sure.
You don't need. Oh, go there.
Yeah, sure.
Sleep now.
And with electronic, the gate will close
Huh?
at 9 p.m.
Automatic.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you have 6 chickens. One,
Four.
two, three.
4. We had 6, but there was a bird. Yeah.
Really? So they have 6 and the one you make adobo already?
No,
No.
we don't make adobo.
Okay, wow. And I have a question. Your chicken will get eggs, no?
Yeah. 3 or 4 eggs
Every day?
every day.
And that is bio. Bio eggs. Bio?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see we don't have. We only have bio area.
And this one is apple.
No, this is Mirabellen.
Mirabilis, we make a farm tour. Farm tour in Germany, okay?
That's the title of the YouTube video.
Yeah.
Are you sure? So this is an empty cage because
Why is it empty?
because my father don't want to have so much rabbits currently.
So he sell it.
Yeah, sell it or cooked.
Oh, you eat rabbits?
Me not, I'm vegetarian.
Wow.
Because they are so sweet.
Hi rabbits. Hi. What is your name? Hi, wow. The rabbits have a bigger here. Ears.
I'm getting attacked.
Wow. So in the meantime, you have how many rabbits?
We can count.
We
3,
can count. 1,
8,
2,
I think 20 maybe.
3. On the mother, father.
I don't know.
Hi. Look. So let's go to other rabbits, no?
Mhm.
You have more? This one? Ah, okay. You have also rabbits out there. So your turn. So now, wow, go look at this one rabbit.
Yeah, here we have 2 cute rabbits.
Uy, wow! Can I touch?
You can try, but they are shy.
That means
That means you can't touch them.
Okay,
You
then I
can
will.
try, but we'll see. Oh, a little bit.
But look at the, it's a bigger rabbit. Ang laki ng rabbit, parang kambing.
That's the mother of these two rabbits.
Okay. Hi. Hey. Wow, look. She have 3 rabbits. Children. 1, 2, 3.
This
Wow, it's a bigger one. Look, guys. Look. Ang laki, oh. Okay.
this rabbit's called Deutsche Riesengelb.
Okay, that's the
German giant yellow rabbits.
Mm-hmm.
That,
Why your father likes rabbits?
I don't know. It's a hard work.
It's hard. Look here.
But my family eats them, so
A cookie.
and sell it.
Mm.
Und züchten es. Ne, ich weiß nicht, was das auf Englisch heißt.
Was?
Züchten.
Shy.
Shy heißt schüchtern.
Ja.
Nee, züchten.
Was ist das?
Das
Wenn.
heißt, they are competitions in the world.
Mhm.
So
Contest.
Contest, yeah. There's a rabbit, the best rabbit who can hold the situation.
Okay.
Mm.
And your
Who has the
father.
best eyes, the best ears.
Ah.
Um,
And your father was there also.
guck mal hier.
Look. Why is it? Why is it in the cage?
He's sitting on the cookie nine.
Okay, don't
He's,
attack them.
he's sitting there because it's cold for this rabbit.
Ah, okay. Okay.
It's good for him.
Because of the grass, no?
Mm.
Because of the grass. Look. So where your father bought the grasses?
The grasses,
Yeah.
you can see on my vlog. That was the grass what I mowed.
Kagas, ito pong grass po nito, kung panoorin niyo po sa vlog ni Joey, yan po yun, kinukuha. Ito po yun, pinapakain para sa, nila, sa rabbit. Wow!
That was this, yeah.
Okay.
The grass.
No, it's okay,
You can open. No problem.
Maybe they will come to me. Can I touch?
Yeah, you can try.
They will not bite me?
No.
Ay! Shoot, turn, also.
Die haben mehr Angst vor dir als du vor ihm.
So. He can't go out. He can't go out.
He's chilled.
Oh. Hi, mother. You want to protect your...
Oh, she's interested.
Wow. Uy. So cute. Ang ganda. Look at the ears. I like it. It's very beautiful.
They got tattoos.
Yeah, why? Yeah, I can see numbers. Look in the ears. Look. Kita niyo po guys, may...
It's a law in Germany. You need to count the
Look.
rabbits.
Echt?
So what's the birth of the... what's the month of the birth?
Echt?
Later you can't know what is the rabbit here, what is the rabbit there.
Ah.
So you just have a tattoo for the different, you know.
Okay. So nakita niyo po ang rabbit dito sa ears. There's a tattoo. And the tattoo is the number.
Yeah.
This is the birth of the rabbit, the birthday.
Birthday and ja, ganz genau weiß ich es nicht. Eine Zahl, the first number is the month of the birth.
Okay, and then I have a question also. And how long does rabbit will survive? Wie viele Jahre denn?
Das weiß ich jetzt gar nicht.
Ist lang oder?
Nee, nicht so lang. I don't know, 5 years maybe?
5 years?
4 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful that your father likes to to bear. likes to,
what?
Like to take care of rabbits, you know.
Yeah. That's a hobby.
And you can order rabbits in the restaurant. Das schon gekocht. Yeah, oder? Yeah, in the restaurant.
It's very expensive.
But very expensive. You can try it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I want to order rabbit.
In Philippines, you can buy rabbits.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Maybe, but I don't know.
It's more chicken, no?
Yeah, Canon Shen. But there's a lot of rabbits, wild rabbits. You can see rabbits in the forest, in the mountain.
In Philippines.
Here in the Germany.
In Germany, yeah.
It's wild rabbits, no?
Mm.
But this is not wild.
Nee.
So guys, meron pa isang rabbit dito, oh. In another area, look. In another area. And another area because the other rabbits were there. And then this one.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is outside. These are the male rabbits.
Male? How did you
Male.
know it?
Because here, outside, all males.
Ah,
And inside, with the babies, females.
kukuha. Also here. Look.
Yeah.
But it's okay to your parents that we show the connection?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Did you ask?
Yeah.
And?
For the next 6 weeks, I need to feed them.
Yeah, but it's okay that I show it to my vlog?
Yeah, sure.
And your father said what?
It's okay.
Okay, then it's good. We need a consent. Wow. You
Oh,
only ate
look!
him?
Watch! He's so fat!
He's so fat.
Cute!
Wow. Hi,
Open the
rabbits.
cage, Ollie. Try it. Open the cage.
No, I don't know. I don't
Open
know.
the cage.
No, I don't want.
Don't be a.
I'm shy.
Yeah. Don't be a shy guy.
Shy guy.
Oh, this is the new Shy Guys.
Hi guys.
Shy guys.
That's Dinah.
No.
Mine is CaGuys.
No.
Then is hi shy guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
But these rabbits are very shy. Watch my hand. Yeah.
So you need to feed the rabbits for 6 years. 6
years.
Because your parents will go to vacation.
Yeah.
So it's your responsibility to take care of the rabbits.
Correctly.
And also the chicken.
And the chicken. Yeah.
Okay.
And
let's
you.
Go. And you. That's all for the farm tour. So let's go back. Tingnan niyo po guys ang dalawa oh. Come here. Cookie, come here. She wants to show you something. Look here. Guys, maraming salamat po, and I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog namin today. Please please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then we're gonna end this vlog. Gumawa po siya. He made a vlog for me. Nag-interview siya sa akin. Please watch his YouTube channel and subscribe din po. Joey Renninghoff ang pangalan po. So search his name, subscribe, and watch our vlog together.
Yeah.
Because he will start vlogging also. But
It was a nice interview.
It was nice interview, yeah. But he said he cannot post every day because he needs to work. He has a lot of things to do, no?
Yeah.
In Germany. We're going to end this vlog. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. God bless us all. This has been Oliver Cagas and
Joey Renninghoff.
Then God bless CaGuys.
Bye. God bless you.
Cheers.